Hi, I'm Dr. Jean Carroll, and I help people heal their nervous system dysregulation. To do so successfully, we need to address each of the three aspects of nervous system dysregulation. First, a dysregulated nervous system is characterized by disorganization, which is felt as chronic stress and distress. We want to move from that to a state of organization where we are anchored in a regulated nervous system state and feeling generally fine. We consider that the nervous system, when it's dysregulated, is injured. Just like a physical injury, we need to apply first aid. So the first step is for you to develop your own first aid kit using somatic processes, bottom-up processes, and also cognitive processes, top-down. We need both. Secondly, we need to reduce the stress on the system. And thirdly, we need to increase the integration, meaning processing any unprocessed material that is perpetuating the dysregulation. Secondly, in a dysregulated system, we see reduced capacity. The analogy I like to use here is of a bowl of water. The capacity is the amount of information that you can handle without getting overwhelmed. So first we need to take stock of your current nervous system, assess where you're at. And secondly, we need to set limits. Take steps to protect your nervous system to avoid overwhelm. Thirdly, we need to widen the window. Back in the analogy of the bowl of water, this would be something like buying a bigger bowl. Thirdly, in dysregulation, we see reduced resilience. Now, your nervous system has its own natural resilience. In the analogy of the bowl of water, this would be the material that the bowl is made of. In a dysregulated state, it's thin and brittle, like thin glass. And we want to take it to a state that's much stronger and more resilient. So we want to get back to that state of natural resilience, which is being impeded by some block and creating vulnerabilities. So the first step is to identify what those blocks are that are causing the vulnerability. Secondly, we need to focus in on those blocks and offer a new possibility, a new pattern. Instilling a new pattern that is more generative, more helpful, and that serves you better. So that's the focused repatterning, building resilience. Lastly, there's a more generalized resilience building piece that I call increasing your ludic range. Increasing the strength of the system so you can better weather the storms, the knocks, the shocks to the system. We work through each of these steps as a group in my program that is starting soon. But the self-paced aspect of the course is all recorded and available immediately, and I recommend you start straight away. See you on the inside.